What's up guys, Miles here with 9 to 5 Mac, and the UGREEN HiTune X5s are a pair of truly wireless headphones with Bluetooth 5.0, aptX, and CVC noise cancellation. And for the price, these are a great option for enjoying your music on the go. Thanks to UGREEN for sponsoring 9 to 5 Mac on YouTube. Let's check this out. The HiTune X5s are powered by the Qualcomm 3040 SoC, which is going to provide a greater depth of sound with the aptX codec. The 10mm dynamic drivers with dual flexible diaphragms boost the performance in mid to low frequencies. And you've also got UGREEN's signature super bass low frequency enhancement technology. This will boost the audio experience for rock, rap, and hip-hop tracks. The truly wireless design works very well for easily removing the buds from the case, and is very comfortable to use for long listening sessions. The oval-shaped short stem design is a smart middle ground between conventional earbuds and short-stemmed earphones. With Bluetooth 5.2 technology built into these headphones, you can expect a rock-solid connection and great reliability. The headphones also feature 28 total hours of listening time with the case, and fast charging via a USB Type-C port. And with this port, you can expect quick and reliable charging. The USB-C charging case can be maxed out in 90 minutes, and just 15 minutes of power will provide up to an hour of listening time. On top of having reliable battery life and charging, the HiTune X5s feature IPX5 water resistance, so any sweat and water splashes from the gym or workouts won't stop you in your tracks. You've also got clear voice capture noise isolation, so you can expect to make crystal clear phone calls no matter what's happening in the background. And with all these features, the HiTune X5s are a great option for those looking for an inexpensive pair of truly wireless earbuds. The UGREEN X5s are launching with a 30% launch discount that you can take advantage of by clicking the first link in the description below, so make sure to check that out if you're interested. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for future content like this. And a big thanks again to UGREEN for sponsoring 9 to 5 Mac on YouTube.